This one's really different. It's the Guinness Punch. Actually, I mean, this Tipsy Bartender, man, everything we do is kind of different. Okay, this is a really beautiful shot. Okay, so we have all these Guinness, what is the plural of Guinness? Guinnesses that we pour into our pitcher. Then we come behind up with vanilla vodka. All right, beautiful. Followed by some sweetened condensed milk, okay? And you know, Guinness is an acquired taste. All right, the first time I taste Guinness, I was like, okay. But then after drinking it every day for a while, I was like, man, this is good stuff. This is my medication. Anyway, come behind with a little bit, that's vanilla extract, okay? Ooh, nutmeg. So you're actually making a real punch here with this. It's just Guinness based, and it's delicious. This is really different and really cool, guys. So give this a shot. So for more cool recipes like this, definitely check out tipsybartender.com. Oh, whoa. All right. Happy St. Patrick's Day.